unfortunately this industry is like that to an extent, right?
No, but I'm also saying I'm glad I'm not doing the teeny bopper stuff, with due respect, because they're so frivolous most of the time that I'd rather not be doing that. You know, there's nothing for me to do. I'd rather be doing the solid stuff and be happy about it than want to fit in even there. And
but you did try for a bit to kind of fit in there.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, absolutely.
The pressure of
yeah, no, it's not the pressure. You know, you get offered something and you think, oh, maybe I should do it. Maybe there's not much for me to do, but it's a different kind of film. Maybe I should do it and try. If you know, it's a tip commercial film.
Well, let's open it up to the students here. Who would like to ask the first question?
Hello, I'm Sara, acting student, junior batch. My question is really related to the same thing that you guys are talking. You joined films late in late 20s.
Yeah.
So do you take it as an advantage? Because you got Parinita. That's a very acting-oriented movie. So.
Yeah, I think I was just out of college when I got, so not really late 20s. I'm in my late 20s now. But no, but I do think that I got a role like that which was so layered and textured because I'd had a lot of experience as an actor already, you know, so I didn't have to do 20 films before I got a Parinita. So I think it worked in my favor.
To take on from her question, then that makes you a woman as opposed to a girl immediately with the role that you're doing, and we sort of get, and especially if you do it well, you get that image is a hard one to break. Are you still fighting to break it, or now you just
no, I'm a woman? I am a woman, you know, I'm a full-blown woman. And I'm happy to be one. And the other thing is I'm an Indian woman, so I'm happy with all those tags. I'm celebrating it in every way.
I'm glad to hear it. No bikinis or anything for you, right?
Unless it's a Satyam Shivam.
Well, I can see you doing that.
Oh my God. Because we're talking about Indian here, and that's the Indian bikini for you.
Bring on the Zeenat Aman inside you. I loved it.